Cap 26 here, just at Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies, and we got several models here we're going to do today. There's one to my left, one to my right, and we got one right here. So let's start with the model, and we're going to put some glue in here. Just a drop in there, and a drop in there. Put that off to the side. These slip in like that. Okay. This one in here. Push in like that. We have to do some putty work on this one right here. This goes in like that. Got to snap in from the bottom too. So that's good like that, okay? Now I'm going to put some glue right here in the center. And we got to unstick the glue, per usual. Okay. Put a little glue there, right there. And put this front piece on. We'll hold the two together. Like that. Then we're going to put his nose on. Okay, so a drop of glue there. The glue I'm using is Weld On number 16. That's the glue I'm using. There's his little nose. See his little nose? We got a little flower here we have to put together. So let's keep him over there. And put a drop of glue right in the center. Put that over there. This little ball right here drops in the center. Like that. There we go. This is the flower he's holding. And then the stem has to go on, so we got to put a little drop of glue right there. Put the stem on. And you're just going to lay it down like that. Okay, so he's done. That's Pepe Le Pew with the flowers. He's smelling the flower. I got some putty here. Let's see. Not to make this long story short, but I need a glove. And hopefully I can get this glove on quick. It's time for an exam. Let's see if there's any putty left to this. Oh, good, there is. Okay, so we're going to put some putty right there. I'm going to smooth it over. Once you use one of these gloves for putty, just toss it because you're not going to use it. You're not going to use it again once you use all the fingers like that. This stuff smells. It's got a smell to it. Okay, so let's fix that a little bit better. Use this finger right here. Just go like that. This will take most of the day to dry, the putty. Okay. Take that away right there. That. Okay, so set him aside. Invert the glove and cap this off. best you can. That's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. And on to the next model. Bye for now. Thumbs up, please.